Hey, hello and welcome to Robot Arena 2. This will be the Banterish AI pack, one of the older ones, I guess 2.5. Anyway, I want to show you a couple of things I've been working on here. And here we have a house bot, which is also called Krabby. These are two different incarnations of the same machine, just changed some parts around and whatnot. This one's not quite as agile as this one. And then we had Techno Disc. Let's take a look at the house bot real fast. That crammed a lot of batteries into it. It has several different snap motors to control where the different parts are at, like these two ram placers. There's no way to place them outside the wheels like that unless you use these weird little tricks, which are okay. They're pretty much legal. This would technically be right through a shaft. It would run right, kind of like a propeller shaft. It would run right through the wheels and whatnot to allow another shaft to run through that. Or you could place these. They're not quite centered, but then again, nothing's quite perfect in this game. Just make it as close to realistic as you can. These are a three-wheel bot. We'll test it real fast. Okay, take a look at the chassis. Armor, it's not a racing armor. Okay, it's made of steel. Faster components. It has one mud tire with one Z-Tech motor, high-powered. And we use two regular Redbird motors to drive. Our two big slim wheels. And let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, about 14 amp batteries. Well, excuse me, small batteries. Amp batteries has a different series. Okay, back to HQ. This was one of the, I've been working on several different versions of Techno Disc. One of them was an actual disc, looked kind of like Hypno Disc. But it was kind of weak. The disc would break off after one or two strikes and self-myrtleized. So what we did here is we first came up with this guy here. Chassis. Armor is also steel. Components. Okay, we have 6 mud tires, 6 Redbird motors, 2 Super Volts, and I think, let's see, 3, 6, 7, I think, 7 small batteries. And underneath here, take these guys off. Look at how it's put together. We use one of these motors here to hold the main motor in place, so you can drop it down, and it'll fit through the armor pack up front. So I put some armor on top, and also on one version we have changed up some small skid wheels over here for a little bit of protection, and also if you lose the front wheels, it'll still maintain some control. Okay. Back to HQ, and here's what we sent in. I don't know if this guy will ever see combat or not. My last robot, I think it was invertible. Boy, he got ripped to smithereens. Well, I was trying to make a real basic bot, something simple that turned out to be a little too simple and too big and too easily destroyed. At any rate, this guy I hope would put up a slightly better fight than the last one. And let's take a look at it. It also, I do believe, is steel. No, it's aluminum. Okay, we changed the armor pack to aluminum on this guy. And it has pretty much the same, well, almost the same battery setup, except we moved the controller over here. And we changed the big motor to 2 small Redbird motors, so this one now has 8 Redbird motors. And it's basically the same bot. We'll go ahead and pretty cool. Not too bad. Back to HQ. And here's something we've been working on since the chief over at Banterish wanted to say Banterish robot. I'm not quite sure if this is silly enough, but it's a 3-wheel drive like the other one. Well, this one's quite agile. Take a look at the components. You can see it has only 7 batteries, 3 motors, 2 high-powered, 1 Redbird. These high-powered guys here. It has 2 snap motors with 2 swords, 1 steel yard plow, and 3 slim wheels. It's pretty basic. Let's take a look at the chassis. This one's also steel. And go back to the components. Let's take a look at how this guy works in the you can see it's pretty agile. A little squirrely, but it's also invertible. Climbs walls. it's pretty cool. You get a climb this wall here. On you. Oh, okay. Well, hey, and it lands on its feet. Okay, you can see the kind of stuff I've been up to here. I might send this one in, but I don't want to crowd out the Banter Wars with too many silly robots. So here we are, and maybe I'll set these guys up and AI them and put them out there and see how well they do. Okay, well, I just wanted you guys to check out, take a look at, see what I've been up to lately, and this is pretty much it. I'm also going to put up another fight for Robot Arena 2014, which is my mod, and that also has some really interesting things like the tournament mode. Still unsung to this day. When you play any of these mods or games, in your tournament mode, you always are going to see the same robots all the time, no matter what you do, no matter how many robots are out there in the actual lineup. You're only going to see so many robots in the tournament mode. What we did is we were able to introduce a new set of switch keys, which are in the actual AI. You have to go into the AI and scroll down, and you'll find keys called switch it. And what these are, they're 15-team blocks, and they allow you to select a 15-team block from the first 15 robots, or from the first selection of 15 teams. 15-team blocks from the first selection, which you only ever see is the first 15 teams when you're in tournament mode. What we have is a selection of blocks of 15 teams, all the way up to about, I think, 7 or 8 or 9 different selections. So you can select different 15-team blocks. You'll never see the same fights twice. And, I mean, it gets boring to always see the same guys in tournament mode. What we did in Robot Arena 2014 is we introduced a selector, so you can face all the robots out there and in tournament mode, not just in arcade mode. Anyway, we're done, and we'll see you guys again soon here at Robot Arena 2 and Robot Arena 2014, and we also have a couple other mods that we post every now and then too. So, you guys have a fine day and a good week, and we'll see you soon. Hey, and build some robots. It's a lot of fun.